What is it? Ah, they don't know how to kid. Same size as her.
Come here, you got some money. Hello. Who is it? Oh, hiya. Doggy. Doggy.
Daisy dog. I'm playing. Ah.
It's snivelling her toes. Oh, it's nice and calm with her though.
Hello.
What is it?
A nice Daisy.
She's stealing it off him. She likes it. Humphrey's not sure.
Yup, yup.
Look at her. Oh.
Oh my God, how does she like?
How's he go? Why's he gone round the back? Hey, Humphrey. Oh, cuddles. Oh. Yes, 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 yes. Look at her go. Yay! Oh my God, she did. He's that funny. Oh, cuddle. Oh. Did you get kisses? Cheeky girl. Hey, Humphrey. Oh, nice. Oh. Oh. Oh, clever girl. Clever girl. Oh. That's nice. That's nice. Kisses. Oh.
She's sitting there.
You both got the same toys, but one's for dogs. And one's for babies. That's why she thinks she's a dog. Humphrey. Kisses. Oh. Kisses. Yay. We're giving him Bic Bic. Good girl. So here you go. Well, he's trying to eat him. What is it? Humphrey's trying to eat them all. Look, look. Humphrey, what are you doing? What's he doing? He's trying to eat him. Hello. Did you get kisses?
Say bye, everyone. Bye. Humphrey.
He's attached to your chair. Humphrey. Hey, Humphrey.
You hold him.
Hold on. Oh. Whee. She loves it.